Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the Honorable Maya English Lecturer Miss Dina Sylvia Putri, which I'm here to fulfill my last assignment with the title Legal Analysis in French. Why I choose French? Cause my nickname start with F. First thing first, let me introduce myself. My name is Zafir Durrahma with name 24080106555. So let's get started. We jump into our topic. Most importantly, what is French law? French law is the law that applies in French. Apart from being valid in French, this law is also the basis for the legal system in many countries that were once French colonies. The pioneer of French law was King Francois I, who determined that French was the language of law and administration in 1539. French law divided into two. First is private law, or people there call it droit privé, and the second one is public law, or people there call it droit public. But in this occasion, I will discuss more depth about droit privé or private law. Private law includes civil law or droit civil and criminal law, droit penal, while general law includes administrative law, droit administrative, and constitutional law, droit constitutional. And what is droit privé? Private law is the law that regulates relationship between human beings between one person and another, with an emphasis on individual interests. Private law is the law that regulates relationship between individuals in meeting their life needs. Private law includes civil law and commercial law. Civil law is a series of regulations or laws that regulate one another, while commercial law is regulation related to trade. Private law regulates relations in society which involve family and wealth of residents or individuals, relations between citizens or individuals, the relationship between individuals and state agents as far as the state apparatus in legal traffic acts as an individual. Private law regulates relationships between citizens who have the freedom to make contracts. In private law, the basic principle of citizen autonomy is private property. Citizens retain their own rights but are bound by established procedures and the government as supervisor. What is the sources of private law? First, there's civil code or code civil, the foundational document for private law in France, enacted in 1804. It systematically organizes legal principles related to obligation, contracts, property, and family. Legislation, and second one we have legislation, statutes passed by the French law parliament that may modify or supplement the civil code. Third, we have judicial decision. Case law, although not as authoritative as statutes, provides interpretation and clarification of legal provisions. And the last one is doctrine. Legal scholarship and commentary by academics and practitioners can influence the interpretation of laws. Second, what is the key areas of private law? First, contract law regulates agreement between parties including formation, validity, performance, and breaches. The principle of freedom of contract is fundamental, but there are restrictions to protect against unfair terms. Next, tort law addresses civil wrongs that cause harms or loss, establishing liability for damages. They include negligence and intentional harm. Next, property law governs ownership, use, and transfer of property both movable. Example given, goods and immovable. Then the example given has real estate. The concept of possession and the protection of property rights are central. And the last one is family law. Covers marriage, divorce, child custody, and inheritance. French family law emphasizes protection for children and spousal rights. Then we have the main principle. First, autonomy of will. Individuals have the freedom to enter into contracts and manage their own affairs within the limits of the law. Second is good faith. Parties are expected to act in good faith and fairness in their dealings, which is crucial in contract law and negotiation. And last one, liability. Private law establishes the basis for civil liability, determining when a party must compensate another for harm caused. Fourth, dispute resolution versus civil courts. Disputes under private law are primarily resolved in civil courts, which handle matters such as contract disputes, tort claims, and family law cases. And alternative dispute resolution, or EDR, increasingly popular in French. Methods such as mediation and arbitration provide parties with options outside the court system. And last but not least, recent development. Ongoing reforms aim to modernize aspects of private law reflecting societal change. For example, reforms in family law regarding divorce and child custody. And last, digital law. With the rise of technology, issues such as online contracts and data protection have become significant, leading to new legal consideration. And then we arrive at the peak of the theory, namely conclusion. Private law in French is a complex, involving fields that plays a crucial role in everyday interaction among individuals and entities. Understanding its principles, sources, and areas of regulation is essential for navigating legal relationships and also ensuring compliance with the law. The French legal system, focus on balancing individual freedoms with societal protection, underlines the importance of private law in maintaining social order. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye. See you.